sure you don't like it, then don't make it.
I don't know what he's making.
Today we have the Antioch Summer Program, so we have children that are in about 5th to 8th grade. They come here for about 4 weeks during the month of June to be exposed to new nutritious foods. We teach them about gardening and also play a lot of fun games that hopefully they can take with them at home. Today we're going to use our blender bike, so we'll be able to make a delicious pineapple salsa, and then we're going to play lawn games in the other room.
Today we use the blender bike so the kids can learn about how to not only make a healthy snack, but also how their energy and their fuel goes into what they need to make for themselves. So the basic idea behind the blender bike is showing them that when you eat, you're taking in fuel, and then you expend that fuel whenever you're doing something active. So you need to eat, but you need to make sure you're putting the right fuel in your body. So we're trying to reinforce that idea.
Hello, this is Khalil Hutto. I'm sitting here right in front of this fruit salsa that I made with the Tulsa Health Department using key ingredients like bell peppers, sweet onions, and mangoes. And I put it on a blender bike, and now I'm ready to taste it. Yeah, most of the flavors coming from the mango and the mint kind of gives that bitter sweetness, but there's some jalapenos in it, kind of keep it a little tangy, to bring out the tanginess of the mango.